So this is part 16 or day 16 of the 100 algorithm challenge. I've been doing this for more than 2 weeks. I'm gonna actually, I don't have it up here. Let me put it up. I usually like to start with Code Wars. Give me 1 second. Let me set myself up. Let me put music. This is VS Code. This is actually, if you're seeing VS Code, this is the actual 100 algorithm challenge. It's a repo that you could download. So for the actual 100 algorithm challenge, I'm at like 10, but I really try to just do 3 a day. Then I do data structures to keep getting myself better. I'm feeling better too. Like the past day, I was sick. I actually went to the dentist, and I think I have so I'm gonna remove my wisdom teeth, but I think I have one of them is, he didn't use the word infected, but I think one of them is not good. That's what was getting me sick, or might have been getting me sick. So that's why I was kind of getting sick so much. I feel okay today. I'm gonna do jujitsu today, so it's the second day that I've been doing it. So let's see how many I could do. I'm probably just gonna do. What time is it? I'll probably do an hour. So let's see. I usually do Code Wars. I do these here, and I do Hacker Rank. So I do feel like I'm getting better. I lost my streak yesterday because I just wasn't really motivated to do it. I wasn't feeling good. So I have here. So this is Code Wars stuff. So Code Wars. Oh, and I got to 5Q actually Monday, so that's good. That's you get a big bonus when you get to 5Q. You get like a whole bunch of extra points. So let's see. So I'm gonna start. I always start at the same. I always do JavaScript, and I do. I'm getting to the point where 8Q is too easy, and I can't even find any. But I'm just gonna start it again, 8Q, and if I can't find any, I'll try to do a higher one. My goal is to get to 4Q by next year. I got to 5Q, and then 4Q, you're like another belt. So I'm happy that I got to 5Q. I do feel like I'm definitely better. So this is 8Q, 8Q, 8Q. So even though I do 8Q, if you do so many, you kind of learn. You get little things become more clear. Things that either you forgot. Be concise, sum, square. Convert number to reverse. Grow, reduce, but grow. Reduce, but so wait. Oh no, check is I did it. Return the day. I think I might do this one. Return the day. This is like a switch statement. I don't feel like I learned anything from here. Triple trouble. Yeah, I'm getting to the point where I've done almost every 8Q. I'm not gonna actually do 8Q. You know what I'm gonna do now? I am gonna do. I'm just gonna start the week with 8Q just to kind of get myself back. Multiple of index. Okay, that's actually not bad. Return rate. Multiple 22. Huh? I don't really understand. Return a new icon. I don't really get what they want. What I really want to do is data structure problems. So if I click here, I click here. Let's start 8 about data structure problems. Okay. What's up next? Okay. Next item, given a sequence of items. Okay, so let me do this. Okay, let's see. Given a sequence of items, and specific item in that sequence, return the item immediately following the item specified. Nah, I don't want to do this one. So why didn't I do this one before? Find the mean of a list numbers in. Okay. I could start with this to kind of just get myself started. So I'm gonna start with this. And actually, now that I'm higher level, each 8Q just gives me less. Okay, so I'm gonna do this to kind of get myself started. Let's see. So let me set myself up. So the way I set myself up, if you're gonna get anything from this, so like I have a code wars file, but this doesn't really do anything. So what I do is I set up ghost text, and what ghost text is gonna allow me to do, I'm gonna go here, I'm gonna go enable ghost text, I'm gonna click it, then when I go to my VS Code, everything in ghost text is here. Okay, so let me see. This is okay, so everything is here. So let me start JavaScript, Babel JavaScript. And let me start one more thing called Quokka. Okay. Quokka lets me. Quokka runs this file. Whatever is in the file, it runs it. Start on current file. Okay. So, let's see. So, let's get these. So let's grab these so I could kind of have assertions. Okay, so let's control F. I don't know what the exact thing is, but okay, let me. Okay, okay, okay. So I got it set up. Let me bring you back to Code Wars. Okay, so find the mean average of a list of. Okay. So then I just get the sum, and then I divide it by find average nums. Input input list. Okay, so let me get input list dot length. Okay, so let me console log this just to see. 114. Wait, what? So I'm just dividing. Okay, let me. So then I gotta get some. There's a way to just get JavaScript. I think I could just do. Let me see something. I think I could do math.sum, but I don't remember exactly how. So I'm just gonna look here. Math.sum JavaScript. So let's see how this looks here. Sum. Okay. I could just do reduce. And I might do that. Sum. But there is a math.sum. Sum. Sum. So I think if I just do let me see something. Sum. Sum. Come on. Sum. No. Sum input list. Console.log this. Sum is not defined. Okay. If I can't figure it out, I'm just gonna do reduce. I thought there's a way to just sum it. Is it math.sum? Okay, I guess it's not. Yeah, if I can't just do it, I'm just gonna do reduce. I'm pretty sure I could just do input list dot reduce previous current. Okay, reduce previous current. Previous plus current. Previous plus current. Variable. What is this? Input list. I reduce initial. Let sum equals initial is not defined. Input lit. I don't think I need that. Let's see. So undefined. Okay. Zero. So undefined. So sum current plus previous plus current, and then if I just start now, let me look at reduce really quick. Reduce. Turn. One second. Available. Okay. Initial. Okay. Yeah. Let sum equals. That doesn't make sense. Oh, okay, wait. I gotta do return. That's what it is. There we go. Return. But actually, I don't have to do return if I do. If I get rid of these, and I think if I just put them in one line. So let's get rid of this. Put this here. Okay, so and if I just do divide input list dot length. Okay, so turn. Okay, I think this gives me my answer. It's console. Can I console this? Can I console log this? Missing argument. Oh, okay. Console log this. Okay, one. Console log this one. Should okay. Okay, so this should work. Let me show you what I have. This is probably one of the easier ways to do it. Input list. Okay, so return. What the? What it? Actually, it fixed that. I didn't fix that. Let me see. What does it tell me to do? Split into decoration and okay. Let's see what does that do. Var find average. Convert to let merge. Let find average function. I'm not gonna do that because they probably want it a certain way. Let me see. Run test. Okay, so I passed. So I'm 320, and I attempt, and I have it in 322. I want to see what percentage that gets me. Oh, this guy's is good. Mine's basically the same. Okay, so oh, it gives me a blue bar. That's cool. Okay, so let's switch over to so I did okay, so I did one of okay, so I'm gonna switch over to the 100 algorithm challenges. So, something's not working. Chat, no, dashboard. I think Mixer is not working. Reconnect. Okay, whatever, Mixer. Okay, so, which one should I do? Let's, okay, I'm gonna do, let's see, so I've done these. What's alphabetical shift? Given a string, replace each of its characters by the next one in the out. That's kind of cool. I'm just gonna do it. Alphabetical shift. Given a string, replace each of its character by the next one. Crazy is the okay. Let's just do this one. This is easy. I get myself back into TypeScript. Okay, so I'm doing this one. Don't save. So I'm gonna get, what is this? Code Wars. Okay, so I'm gonna need a dictionary. Okay, so alphabet dictionary, JavaScript, TypeScript. I'm just trying to get a dictionary for this. Okay, so okay, so okay, so I got a dictionary. So okay, that's the first thing. Const. Let's make this an array. No, that's not. Let's word wrap this. Okay, so I am going to first I'm gonna do string dot split string dot split. I'm gonna console log this. It's kind of cold. Console log crazy. Oh, I don't have Coke on this. That's what it was. Nope. Start on file. String is not defined. Okay. That's fine. Oh wait, what? String dot split. String is not defined. I can't just. It's going crazy. Return string dot split. What? Okay. A string is not defined. String not string. Oh, I messed up. See, this is what happens when I do too much JavaScript. I don't think in TypeScript way. So let's console log this just to see. So crazy. Okay. If I do, let me see something. If I do a string not split that map, so okay. What am I trying to do? Okay, let's talk it out. So I'm trying to get, see this array here. I'm gonna try to see what index that array is. Okay, and then when I make my new array, okay, so let's see. So okay. I'm gonna just make this an array for now. Let split string, and I can just make this an array. Equals split string equals, right? Is that correct? Split string. Okay. Crazy. Okay. So I am going to. Let's see. What am I doing? Let me see map really quick. Array. Job. What do I? No. I'm trying to find. Okay. No. Okay. Yeah. Split string that map because I'm trying to loop through this. I'm trying to loop through this. That map. Let me see if I get help. Method map iterable dot map item. Okay. Okay. That map. Okay. That map item. Okay. So item. Okay. So each so character. Let's make this character. So we can just name it char. Char. Okay, and this is gonna give us a new array. So that's really important. So let's do return. Return. Or well, actually, I don't really need return, but I'm gonna keep return for now. Return. Index of. Let's look at index of really quick. Index JavaScript. Index of. Okay, string.index of string. So return string.index of. Okay, so I could do alphabet.index of char. Okay. Return. Okay. So let index alphabet index. Okay. Equals I'm not sure what this equals. Hey, what's going on? Yeah, I'm trying to get better at TypeScript. I do use the JavaScript, TypeScript. But in reality, I'm kind of a beginner in TypeScript. I'm not sure if you want to follow along, or I usually have uh what I do is if you go to GitHub and you go to, let me see, pizza. So if you go to this, you can follow the exact 100 algorithm challenge that I'm doing. Oh yeah, you could do them in any language. I'm just doing it JavaScript because that's kind of what I do. This is you can follow that link and you could, it's a 100 algorithm challenge, but you could just do them in anything you want, because they give you if you want to see if you wanna they kind of just give you a readme of what they want exactly, and then you can follow this. And a lot of these are on a site called Code Fights, Code Signal. So if you just go to that site, I think if you just change it to C, you could follow along. But I do different ones. I'm not really, I don't just do these. I do usually Code Wars on Hacker Rank. I'm just trying to just get better. Just get better by like end of the year. Also, I try to do like data structures. That's something that I gotta get better as well. But I like this one because it's TypeScript. What was I doing? Okay. So where am I at? What's the problem? Okay. So this should return the index of the index of each of the array. Let me check that really quick. Output. Okay, so I think it. Okay, so it should here. So 2, 17, 0, 25, 24. So what they're just trying to do, they're just trying to this array that I have here, print out a new array, but with it, instead of C, just the next letter. So instead of C, D. Okay. Okay, so let string. Oh my. Okay. Okay. So so I have this. So I have this. So I have this. Let me just see something. If I do alphabet, and I do 2, and I just console log this. Console log this. Okay, so it's gonna give me C. Okay. So what I'm gonna do is I'm going to map it again. Right? Yeah, I'm gonna map it again, and the way I'm gonna do it, I am going to, let me see. So what I'm mapping alphabet index dot map. Okay. Index. Okay, so alphabet index dot map. Alphabet index dot map. And then I'm gonna return. Return No, I'm gonna return. Let me get my alphabet. Let me get my alphabet, and then let me get my index, and then we're gonna return +1. Okay. So that should give us, the shift by 1 character. So let's see. Let shifted index is not defined. Index is not defined. Did I do this not correct? Let me see if I did something wrong. Char. Okay. Okay, I know what I did. I did wrong. Char. Okay, this is what I did wrong. Let me wrap this. Right? Let me see. Yep, I'm wrapping this. Okay. And then let me check this. Okay. Undefined. Okay. Oh, so what do I do for Y? Let me see what they want. So create so I guess for Y, okay. This should work. Why is this undefined? 26. Oh, because it's Z. So what do they want for Z? Z, just A. Okay. I could just put all undefined A, but let me see. Let's see. Let's see if I just do. So if Z, let's do if okay, if alphabet, no, I got it. Alphabet, let's see, let's go here, copy, control, okay, let's put another space, control, okay, so if this equals Z, if that equals Z, then we're gonna return A. If not, alphabet index +1, and this is how we do it. Okay, we got it. Now we just gotta join this. Shifted.join, return shifted.join. Let me see. There's an easy way to get rid of all these console logs. I think it's Shift-Alt-D. Nice. So we got rid of all of them. Shift-Alt-D. Format the document. Okay, that's not how I wanted it, but okay. And then return shifted dot join, and then I gotta do shifted dot join, and I think I just do this, pretty sure. Return shifted dot join. I think this is correct. Shifted dot join, right? Let's console log it anyway. DSBZ, okay. Is that DSBAZ? Okay. This should work. I don't know why it doesn't return, but this should work. Okay. Oh, you know why? Okay, so I got this. Let me see the video, cause that's kind of what I follow. Udemy, and kind of see how he does it, and then I'll go from there. I'm gonna switch to data structures right after this. Alphabet shift. Let's see, 9 minutes. Wow. Let's. I'm just watching the video. Oh, it's cold today. Let's see. So he did it exactly how I did it. Actually, I think it was a little easier than mine. Yeah, his is easier. Ask. Oh, okay. Oh, okay. Java code. Oh, okay. Mm, okay. Mm. Um. So I'm gonna switch over to. There's another. Oh, this is actually a different one. So yeah, I'm gonna switch over to data structures. I'm probably gonna get off. If anyone wants to follow me, the only reason I'm not doing data structures is kind of like a focus on them more. So I'm gonna be doing 100 algorithm challenge every day. I do about we'll say 3 algorithms, and I kind of switch to data structures. I also do React projects, so if anyone's interested in following that. Also, if anyone is doing websites, web design, or anything, I have a lot of good resources that you can follow, that you can click, a lot of good books. And anyway, good luck. Good luck if anyone's trying to find a job. I hope this stream is motivating to you. It definitely motivates me. And what else? And yeah, I think I'll be done for now. I'll be on